So I've been in this rehabilitation engineering field for quite a while, and my interest is in applying technology and mechatronics engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical control-based systems into simplifying and assisting people with disabilities life. So things that I do is has to do with wheelchairs, has to do with prosthetic leg for amputees, some innovations that has some sort of technology, sensors, measurement, feedback for the normal assistive device to be upgraded a little bit. When you upgrade a little bit, then you can get better feedback, better optimization. So basically, we also do therapy that is adapted to technology. One of the examples is rehabilitation robotics. There are many things that we do not know our people with disabilities may actually need, but they don't have access to. They may not have the idea of where to get it. Sometimes they don't even know that, oh, you can do technology like this to help us. They have this wishful thinking, and they may need engineers to help them realize that. So that's where we come in, the engineers. For example, for people with paralysis, they have been on a wheelchair for many years, haven't been able to stand. We can put electrodes and electrical current on their leg, and those who have not been standing could actually stand for therapeutic reasons in the hospital or in very controlled setting, and they could stand, and that is already a big thing for them because they haven't been able to do that for a very long time. Many things we can actually do to touch the lives of people with disabilities, and through technology, magic can happen. So that's where I come in, and I hope it will benefit a lot more people.